Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Oh, I am not in focus. So today I'm doing another cleaning video. I'm finally cleaning my studio after weeks of it just being an absolute tip. I haven't uploaded in a couple of weeks and part of that's been for health reasons. Another part of it is because my studio where I film is just an absolute mess and I just can't get motivated when I'm filming in a mess, so it needs to be done. I've also come across like 3 huntsman spiders in this room, so I feel like the longer I procrastinate, the more chance the spiders have of finding hiding spots, and I have major arachnophobia. Like, spiders absolutely terrify me, and yeah, I want to get this room clean, make sure all the spiders are out before I start filming again. Yeah, I thought I'd show you. It might be pretty satisfying. Excuse the fact I have no makeup on. I'm breaking out really bad. My outfit is just all over the place. I've got holes in my leggings, but it's just gonna be a chilled video. You know, we're cleaning, we want to be comfortable, so yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and procrastinating. I so badly just want to sit on the couch and play Stardew Valley, but this needs to be done, so let's get started. Oh, I've got a cat between my legs. Hey Hazy, you want to help? Okay, so I'll give you a quick before shot. Oh, it's so embarrassingly dirty. So yeah, you walk in, it needs a vacuum so bad. We've got random cord boxes, my makeup is just everywhere. We've got towels, washing, my cupboard's open and my cats have been in there, so that's probably a disaster. We've got stuff everywhere here. Yeah, there's just, oh my gosh, there's just stuff everywhere. My desk is a mess. There's all cords down there. I also need to go through my shelves and my cupboards and just get rid of anything I'm not using, because I never go in these cupboards and I need more storage. So I feel like that's an incentive, that if I'm not going in there, there's stuff in there I don't need. But yeah, let's get started.
I think I'm just over it. Or could it be that I'm aggravated? Why you be acting like you was the man? I'm not a fan. What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night. All I did was cry. Said, remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night. And all I did was cry. Now you acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. I'm too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye.
There's now a storm outside, so that's fun. Also, I just found a massive black spider in our kitchen. Ugh. I think my plan is, sorry you can't see my face by the way, I think my plan is to finish, oh I'm losing my voice, to finish the floor, then I'm going to work on my cupboards because I just don't have any space to put things away, and then I'm going to do my desks. I'm thinking of moving my mirror and my plant out into the entry because we don't have many mirrors in our house, and whenever someone comes over and they want to look in a mirror, it's really awkward because we have no mirrors. So I think I'm going to put my mirror out there and then I'll have more space in here. But we shall see. I'm going to quickly finish the floor as fast as I can. Ow! Can you not bite my foot right now? Ow! Hazel! This is impossible to do with 3 cats. Ow! Well, where's your toy?
I think it's all overrated. Or could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So long to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't have your heart. No, so long to you, thought I knew you. I'm ready for a brand new start. Now you acting all hard through the breakup. The only patience weak. Oh yeah, shake up, boy, I'm tired. Oh,
I have a heap of these old comic books, which is really cool. I have like Futurama, The Simpsons. Let me know if you're interested in a video about them. I don't know if that's something people watch, but I just think they're really cool. Like, there's some from 2002. This is from 2001, 1999. Yeah, I don't know. I just think they're really cool. Okay, I just did the rest of my cupboard off camera because there really wasn't that much to do, and everything else is pretty much sorted. I've just got like hats, spare bags, sketchbooks, all of that stuff is in there. And I've also got 2 big tubs full of like art supplies, which I should go through at some point, but I really cannot be bothered right now. I just added some more stuff to this, and I'm going to go through my shelves and then try to move some of that stuff over to here because it's kind of overflowing and I still have a fair bit of space on here, so that's what I'm going to try and do now. Okay, so you can kind of see these are my shelves. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this started. I also want to open my pop figures because I saw on TikTok that some of them come with a stand, and I'm just really curious, so I'm probably not going to include that because people like get really nasty about opening pop figures, so I'll let you know if they come with a stand. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do that. They didn't come with a stand, by the way.
me, but you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over, move over. I told you, no do-overs, no. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling, one jack, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Ooh, don't you even think about it, no, coming back, I'm not about it, no, told you I was done, thought you was the one, boy, back to where you're from. I'm tired, boy, I'm tired, but you've been fired, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. It's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing.
I forgot to hit record, but I just moved that from my cupboard to there. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in this space yet. It's a little bit empty. For those who don't know, I get severe back pain and I'm not meant to move or lift anything heavy. And right now my back is literally hating me. I really don't know if I'm gonna get this finished tonight. If I don't, I'll work on it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so exhausted. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna stop for tonight. I've been at this for 2 hours and my back, I just don't want to push it to the point where I can't even move. So I'm gonna try and carry on tomorrow, hopefully. Most of the hard work is done. I'm sorry you're not looking at my face. It's just basically putting things away now. So yeah, I'm gonna have a shower, let my back rest, maybe do some more later, and yeah, I need water really badly.
The next day.
It's now day 2 and I still look like crap. Yeah, it's like, what is the time? It's like 4 p.m. so I really don't have that much to do, so I'm hoping it's gonna get all done today. Oh, she's back to attacking my foot. Ow! Hazel, please. As I was saying, so far I've filled like 3 garbage bags with just stuff that I don't need anymore, with rubbish, all of that stuff. So yeah, I actually have some space now. Yeah, I'm basically gonna start by I'm just gonna start somewhere. And just put stuff away. It's mainly like makeup and art supplies and just random bits and pieces. So I'm gonna just put that away and then see what I have left to do. There's some things I need to wipe down and yeah, but yeah, I'm just lacking motivation so bad, but I've thought of some cool like video ideas that I want to do and I need a clean studio to be able to film it. So yeah, that's basically my only motivation for today. And I really just want to go and play Stardew Valley, but I know this needs to be done. So let's get started.
Keep it rolling, I don't want ya. Keep it moving, bye, boy, bye, bye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling, I don't want ya. Keep it moving, bye, boy, bye, bye, bye.
I feel like my thoughts are so loud. They're just screaming at me. I forget what I want to do this.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? Bad ex-girlfriend and this chick's obsessed with me. I speak truth, but only my reality. Everyone is hurting and I'm trying to be sensitive and give myself the love I want everybody else to give. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else is gonna be. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else is gonna be. I am the one. 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 I'm not the only person that feels like I do, but you never wanna say when it happens to you. Swear I'm not angry, it's just a phase, but I'm tired of waiting to see better days. If I said I love you, meant to say it to myself. Whole world around me, but there's really no one else, really no one else to hold me like I do.
So before I show you guys the final reveal, I'm just gonna do a quick outro to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm back to filming. I'm back to my okay, I can't speak. I'm back to my regular uploads. There are going to be a couple of Tuesday uploads when I start filming me playing Stardew Valley, so make sure you subscribed. Oh my gosh, I look a mess right now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribed, like this video, comment down below what you think. Do you think I did a good job? It's definitely an improvement, I think. And yeah, I will see you all next week with another video. Now I will show you the final reveal. Okay guys, I am finally done. What is the time? What the heck? 4:20. I can't remember what time I said. Also, that's a mess. Just ignore that for now. It's all rubbish. I don't know how long this took me today, but I don't think it took me as long as I thought it did. As I thought it would, I mean. Oh, I'm so out of breath. Why is she scared of Halloween socks? It's literally just candy corn socks. Yeah, so everything's now done except for vacuuming the floors. I'm gonna either get Zach to do that or I'm gonna do it when my back has calmed down, because my back is back to killing me. Yeah, so I'll quickly show you. So this is my makeup desk. I'm gonna try not to trip over cats. This is my makeup area. It's all nicely wiped and clean. There's just a couple of things there that I need to put away, but they go in a different room. So that's all nice and clean now. Then we come over here. Oh, this area is nice and tidy. That fly spray needs to go back. It's not the neatest organizing, but it works for me. So yeah, it's good enough. All this area is nice and clean. The shelves have been decluttered again. It looks chaotic, but it works for me and I know where everything is. So yeah, it doesn't need to look pretty, I just do work in here. Then my filming area is finally clean. It hasn't been this clean for like 2 months, I swear. So I've got my camera here, my cats are playing. My desk is finally clean. There's no makeup spilled all over it. Oh, it just looks so amazing. And I'm excited to get back to filming and just be in a clean environment. All of this was cluttered before, so that's all clean. My cords are a lot cleaner than what they were. Yeah, it's just so nice. There's going to be actual space for me to put my chair and just like relax while I'm filming. yeah, I'm so happy with it. My lights over here. There's no like sheen stuff everywhere from when I last filmed. Yes, that stuff was still there. That's how like dirty this place was getting. All of this is clean apart from the carpet. My cupboards are done. Still an organized chaos, but there's actual space to put things. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's just so much better. There's just so much room for activities, honestly. And yeah, I also did this with my top shelf. This was just chaos before, but I've got my Christmas card from my pa. He's in a nursing home. I'm gonna keep that forever. He looks so cute. This was from when we did the jet boat. I'll link the vlog down below, or just look in my vlog playlist, but this is a USB with all the footage that they gave us. I've got some stuff to paint on, my engagement cards. This is full of art supplies, and I've got my Bob Ross puzzles there. Oh, shit. I know that's right.
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones.